A mobile cover can really be useful these days, which is why Zapvi are mass-producing them in big quantities. We now have a larger assortment of smartphone cases you can choose from. However, here are a few of the benefits of doing so. Exquisite appeal. Smartphones, in most cases, are incomplete without accessories. A phone case elevates the smartphone's beauty to new heights. A variety of brands produce appealing designs that improve the device's visual attractiveness. A smartphone's appearance is improved by a variety of colors, designs, and tints. Stands out from the rest of all. You may even switch cases from time to time to get a new look. Durable. Different factors influence how long smartphone hardware lasts. You can choose and buy a phone case once you've opted to boost the durability of your phone. Silicone is a more durable material than any other phone case material. Resistance to heat and dust. Thermostable components in phone cases with reduced thermal conductivity are the best for ones who operate in hot environments. During hot days and your rough use, you can use the phone case with these features. By properly using the phone case, you can reduce overall surface dust and even more. Protection of the touch display. Many current smartphone users want to know how to safeguard the touchscreen. They can choose the most dependable brand of phone case designed to protect the touchscreen in general. A great phone case protects not just the phone's front and rear sides, but also the touchscreen. Protective. You may buy a pricey smartphone and wonder how to keep it safe every day. Sometimes you may become overly excited or sometimes careless and drop your phone. You may safeguard each part of your phone with the best phone case with shock absorption feature against drops and other impact damage by using the best phone case with shock absorption feature. Anti-slip and tactile. Even though the latest phone cases are tough, they are soft to touch and comfortable to hold. Nowadays, people love to use a soft silicone back cover to have a pleasant grip and a classy look. They take advantage of silicone phone covers' built-in anti-slip properties. Tight fitting. Phone cases are malleable and flexible, allowing them to fit snugly over mobile phones. It is worthwhile to purchase and use a phone case that is specifically made and suggested for a specific model. A simple approach to put on and remove the phone case nowadays provides a plethora of advantages to all users. Match your lifestyle. There may be a variety of phone cases available. It would be advantageous, however, if you preferred it according to your personal style. You can choose from a variety of fashionable phone cases to give your phone a distinct look. Also, you can make yourself a customized phone case according to your personality. A personalized phone case will protect your phone from physical danger while also reflecting your personality. You can choose from a wide range of colors that will give you an elegant look. Sounds like a good deal. Increases functionality. The days of using phone covers solely to protect the device are long gone. Even while the primary aim of a smartphone cover is to protect it from external damage, some covers now have other functions. Card holders, for example, are also attached to the cases. This improves the cover's functioning. Similarly, some models may have a distinct function. Customers now have a variety of options from which to choose based on their interests. In the end, the following are some of the advantages of using a mobile cover. It's one of the most adaptable items on the market. Given the variety of functions it offers, it is a must-have accessory. This was, however, only a partial list. Mobile phones are incredibly adaptable and are used for a variety of functions that differ from one user to the next. Choose the model that best meets your preferences, needs, and desires in order to get the most out of your smartphone.